Hello, 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 guys. I will be doing a breakfast scramble for you. Very customizable dish. I'm just going to show you the basics of what I did. I will show you some ingredients. I did have this recorded, but somehow or another it appears it got lost. I don't know where it's at. So those will be coming up in a moment, but I used just eggs, uh, filled roast, sausage, onions, green peppers, and seasonings. I wanted to add some tomatoes and maybe even a potato. So again, like I said, it's customizable. Add what you want, subtract what you want, and just get really creative. All right, so the first thing that I got was the Just Eggs. It's made from plants. It's clean, sustainable, scrambles like eggs, cholesterol free, egg free, dairy free, and non GMO. Here's the filled roast. Smoked apple sausage is key. Of course, just your basic onions. I did white onions. And then this is a green pepper, but it's on the green screen, so it looks a little crazy. And then I use Flavor God's seasoning Taco Tuesday. And I think it's just an all around good seasoning. Doesn't really taste like tacos to me. But, anyways, you're going to get all your items together, prep it, turn the oven on or the stovetop on so that the grease is already cooking before you get going. You want that to warm up. I would say medium to high on the low end side. Just eggs need to be pretty um, hot. The pan needs to be pretty hot, but not like crazy hot. So I am getting ready to shake this bad boy up now that it's just been sitting here. And they say on the instructions to shake the just eggs really, really good. So I'm going to town shaking. Shake, 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 shake. And so I'm showing how much is in here. Um, that's a thing people complain about a lot. It is a bit expensive, and um, so I'm showing you I decided to use the whole bottle, the last of the bottle. And when I say I'm going to get the last drop out, I mean I'm going to get the last drop out, y'all. I don't play about drops. So I'm just going to shake it out, shake it out, shake it out till I get it all out. Um, I say I get about 3 uses out of here. Can be 4, depends on if it's just like me and my daughter eating, it's usually about 3. If it's just me by myself, I can get about 4. So I am adding my seasoning while I'm still letting it a bit hot. You can see it's starting to bubble now. So I'll be going in here in a little bit to start scrambling that up. Bubbling is a-okay. These are my green peppers and onions that I pre-cut, and I'm just getting those ready, and I'm adding in the meat so I can have the meat in there. I love seasoning my food individually, and then I feel like I don't have to season everything as a whole as much because everything's already individually seasoned. So I'm just adding some more of the Taco Tuesday seasoning in here, mixing it up so everything can get coated. And I added another seasoning. I think I probably did maybe a little garlic or something. Just whatever you want. So just showing you not a ton of seasoning in there. So now we're going to get started scrambling the eggs. And look at this magic, guys. This is the best egg replacer in my opinion that I've tried. There's a lot of them out there. And I just love this. I love the consistency. I love the texture. I love the taste. All of it is just, it's super great. So that's what I am doing right now. Sorry about that if that came over. The baby monitor was turned on. So anyways, I'm scrambling it up. It doesn't take too long to cook. Also, what I like about this is you can stop scrambling when it suits you. So if this scrambled right here is good, you know, you like your eggs light and fluffy, then you can stop here, cook your meat, and you're good to go. Me, I really, really, really like my eggs like cooked and cooked some more. Um, I don't know, like a dry texture. I feel like I say that a lot on this text my channel. But anyways, so I'm just breaking it up, just treating it like you would any other normal eggs, and then I'll be mixing in and incorporating in the sausage and onions and green peppers into this dish here. And then you're basically at this point, it's just all about getting the right texture and consistency that you want on your eggs and on your sausage. Just mixing everything apart here. And I think pretty much like I said, it's done from here. It's just whatever, however much you would like to cook your stuff. Now the taste with this, in my opinion, if you don't add any seasonings and you know you're just wanting to try just the egg part of it, is it does have a slight flavor there. If you wanted to keep it super simple, you could just do a little salt and a little pepper, and I think that would still be fine. But my opinion is you definitely want to season your just eggs, just like you would normal eggs. And I think that really enhances the flavor. It really brings it out, and it can be really customizable as well. The sausage is pretty good in my opinion. It doesn't need any super boost or flavor. This is my favorite one. They do have some other filled roast vegan sausage, but the apple smoked apple or apple sage, oh my goodness. That one that I showed you in the beginning is my absolute favorite. So I am, y'all, like I said, I really, really, really like my stuffed cooked. You can start to see some little characters, is what I like to call them. Some little uh, caramelized areas. Getting that prepared. I wanted to add some sriracha sauce, but I don't have any. So I was like, gotta buy some. So I'll be getting ready to bowl this up and show it to you here. But it looks amazing, does it not? I just had to sneak a piece because, yes, I was like, it smells so good. So let me know what you guys think. Does this look good? Is it something that you would try? What would you have changed or added to this? There's my daughter down there making an appearance. That's why there's no audio for this one, because she is always interrupting mommy's editing time or recording time. But we love our children, right? Oh, guys, every time I do a voiceover, I'm like, I really want that. Look at all this goodness, guys. Delicious. Oops. You cannot get away. Next time I'm going to add, well, I did take pictures. I forgot. I just don't know where they are. Thanks, guys.